A worker at a summer camp for kids comes down with a case of the mumps. Now camp directors are taking steps to make sure the virus does not spread. Health officials say the case at Camp Carol Joy Howling in Ashland is related to the mumps outbreak at Midland University in Fremont. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Griswold. Craig is off tonight. Reporter Joe Cadot he joins now to explain what preventative steps the camp is taking. Joe.
For the 2016 season, Camp Carol Joy Hauling directors are requiring a booster shot for every incoming camper and staff member. However, these preventative measures at Camp Carol Joy Hauling are not stopping the mumps outbreak. There are 23 cases of mumps linked to Midland University. 2 new cases were recently diagnosed, and there is another suspected case. The viral infection is relatively rare. About 20,000 are diagnosed per year in the U.S., and it is highly contagious. Nearly everyone who catches mumps, though, doesn't require hospitalization. Tara Ewing is the health director for the Three Rivers Health Department, which has recorded 17 cases in the last month.
I don't want, out of my 77,000 people that reside in my jurisdiction, I don't want to have to be immunizing or vaccinating or treating and doing investigations because our outbreak has gotten so big. That's why we're really doing this, to be more proactive to contain that.
Ewing says the staff member at Camp Joy Hauling who contracted mumps is being quarantined at home. All other staff members were tested. All but one was cleared. That person is at home awaiting test results. The camp is taking extra precautions to prevent mumps from spreading through summer activities.
We don't feel like that our campers are at danger for this, and if we did, we would not be holding camp.
While the camp is being proactive, working with local health officials to stop mumps, not everyone in the area is. That's why Ewing says everyone needs to help stop the current outbreak from spreading. Common symptoms are a swollen or painful throat and fever.
Know what you're looking for, and make sure you're aware. And if you don't know about your immunization status, some people talk about getting titers drawn. Well, there's a cost with that. Go and get a booster.
Basic hygiene practices like covering your mouth when you cough, washing your hands, and sanitizing your workplace can prevent infection and the spread of mumps. Health officials recommend that college students to avoid sharing any utensils with one another like cups and dishes. Reporting live in studio, Joe Cadot, KMTV Action 3 News.
Now.